to talk about what I'm going to make for July. And I've actually already decided what I'm gonna make, but let me walk you through how I thought of it. So one of the best things about July is when it cools down a little bit in the evening and you can just come out and enjoy being outside. I like to come out with a book and a drink and just relax. So I decided to make a bigger valet tray that can hold a book and a drink and my phone and just make it easier to come out on the deck. I need your help deciding how to make it a little easier to carry. I have two ideas. I could do a strap handle, or I could do a shallow base that's inset a bit so that your fingers can slip underneath. So let me know what option you like best. Bye!
So I pulled these 5 beautiful florals and we're gonna narrow them down to 3 and then vote on them. I like this one because of the cute old flowers. It's really fun and bright and has the nice dark background. This option's really pretty too, but it's a bit more cute. I love the colors on this one. It looks almost like a painting. This is the same printmaker as the other cute flower one, but I like that the flowers are smaller and the background's dark. This is a really fun, bright option, but it might be too bright for what I'm thinking of for this tray. I've narrowed it down to these 3. So let me know if you vote for the bold fabric, the bright fabric, or the calming fabric. Bye!
I'm gonna go into the Fabric Chic here in Parkville, Missouri and see what they have. They have a lot of solid fabric options. I held up our floral fabric to a lot of colors to see how they brought out different parts of the pattern. I also kept in mind the final use of the tray. Since I plan to use it outside, I don't want to pick a color that's too light or it's going to look dirty fast. And since I plan to use it in the evening, I wanted to go with the evening mood. These 3 are my favorite, the pink, purple, and teal. What do you think? I have a confession. When I chose pink, teal, and purple to go with the floral that we picked, what I really wanted was a deep blue violet to pull out more of these darker blue colors. But I couldn't find the right blue violet in any of the stores nearby. And honestly, I didn't think you all were gonna choose purple. Turns out you all really like purple. So I spent the last week looking online for the perfect blue violet, and I finally found one in the Kona Cotton collection, and it arrived yesterday. This is Kona Regal, and it's what we'll be using for our valet tray. See how the bright purple picked up the brighter petals, while the darker deep blue violet picks up these darker petals? That's what I wanted to bring more attention to with this fabric, and I think it fits our evening mood better. Now that we have our fabric officially decided, we can start building.
can see how the shallow base makes it easier to pick up.